Don't strike the matches. It's definitely better to soak them in water. I didn't expect them to have such brilliant properties. Thanks to the matches, your plants will be much healthier. Prepare about 8 matches. Pour 300 milliliters of water into a container. Start stirring the water with the matches. Stir gently and evenly. After a while, you'll notice that the water begins to color. This means the sulfur is dissolving and coming off the matches. Continue stirring for a few minutes until all the sulfur dissolves. Now, set the matchsticks aside. Use the resulting water to water your plants. The sulfur in the water acts as a natural fungicide. It helps fight fungi and mold. This will make your plants much healthier. Sulfur also supports root development. Regular use of this mixture will improve the condition of your flowers. Your plants will grow more vigorously and bloom better. You have to try it yourself. Potted plants won't wilt while you're away on vacation anymore. You can make this kind of drip irrigation system yourself. It'll only take a moment. First, grab a glass. Fill it with water. Then, take a kitchen paper towel. Tear off a few sheets. Roll them tightly into a tube. Place one end of the tube into the glass. This is where it will continuously draw water. Insert the other end into the plant's soil. The paper will absorb moisture and start transferring water from the glass to the pot. This ensures even watering. You can also use pieces of cloth and aluminum foil if you have more plants. Wrap the pieces of cloth in foil. Place all the plants together in one spot and insert the foil-wrapped cloth pieces into the pots. That way, you'll create a simple but effective drip irrigation system. The first drop might take a bit longer to appear, but I promise the result will be brilliant. Your plants will absorb just as much water as they need, and you'll be able to relax while you're away from home. These bags are a great way to help your plants. Instead of asking neighbors to water them, I rely on this simple trick. Just fill regular Ziploc bags with water, adjusting their size to fit your plants. Prepare several bags and seal them tightly so nothing spills. Then, use a toothpick to make a few tiny holes on one side of each bag. A few holes are enough for the system to work properly. Place the prepared bags in the pots, close to the soil near the plants. That's when they start doing their job. The water will slowly moisten the soil for several days. It's a cheap, quick, and effective way to water your plants while you're away. Thanks to this solution, you don't have to worry about the soil drying out, even if you're gone for several days. Plus, this method doesn't require any special devices or a lot of effort. Thanks to this, your plants will stay healthy and beautiful even when you're not around. Try this simple trick and see how easy it is to take care of your green friends. Trim the roots of your potted plant, and it will get a new lease on life. This method can save many plants. When roots become overgrown, the plant starts to grow weakly. Its leaves turn yellow, and you can't figure out what's wrong. You may try boosting it with nutrients, but that doesn't always work. That's when it's worth considering root pruning. This procedure is best done during the plant's dormant period. Simply take a clean, disinfected knife and cut off the bottom half of the roots. If the plant has woody roots, leave those alone and only trim the soft ones. What does this achieve? A plant grows properly when it has many root hairs, which only appear on new roots. When a plant has a lot of old roots and lacks space, it starts to suffocate despite watering and fertilizing. After trimming the roots, you don't need to remove any soil. Just replant the plant in the same pot with fresh soil. This is an excellent way to rejuvenate the plant without moving to a larger pot. Put a potato in your indoor plants, and you'll never waste a plant again. Start by peeling a few potatoes. Potatoes are among the most commonly consumed vegetables. Typically, we use only their flesh, while the peels end up in the trash. This time, however, don't throw the peels away as usual. Potato skins are packed with nutrients like starch, potassium, and phosphorus, which you can easily put to use at home. Collect the peels and place them in a jar. Choose a container large enough to hold all the peels. Next, cover the scraps with water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Finally, seal the jar. If you don't have a lid, tightly wrap the top of the jar with aluminum foil. The potato mixture needs time to develop its benefits, so store it in the refrigerator for a week. During this time, the peels will release potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium into the water. After a week, strain the liquid into another container and discard the peels. They are no longer needed. And that's it. You now have a natural fertilizer, perfect for watering indoor plants, garden flowers, and vegetables. This water is an excellent source of minerals that will strengthen your plants, ensuring abundant blooms and healthy growth. It's a simple, eco-friendly way to transform potato peels into a nourishing elixir for your garden. Just 1 tablespoon of this, and your plants will grow and bloom 5 times faster. The flowers will be so lush, their stems will bend under the weight. You won't be able to keep up with the vegetable harvest. And the best part? You already have all the ingredients at home. The first ingredient is oats. They're full of essential micronutrients like phosphorus, iron, and magnesium. These support healthy growth and boost plant immunity. Put 1 tablespoon of oats into a blender. Grind them into a fine powder. This helps release nutrients faster. Then, take a larger container and pour in about 1 quart of clean water. Add 1 tablespoon of the ground oats and mix well. Let the mixture sit for an hour. During that time, the oats will release all their goodness. After an hour, strain the mixture through a fine sieve to get a clear liquid. Your homemade eco-friendly fertilizer is ready. Water all your garden flowers and vegetables with it. You'll see a difference in just a few days. The plants will be strong and resilient. The harvest will be 5 times bigger. Use this oat fertilizer once a week for best results. Stop throwing away potato peels. You should know that potatoes have valuable properties, especially the skin. Most people toss the peels straight into the trash while peeling, but you can actually turn them into something much better. Put the peels in the sink and wash them thoroughly, then transfer them to a strainer. Shake it well to get rid of excess water. Spread the peels on a plate and cut them into smaller pieces so they dry evenly. Prepare a baking tray and line it with parchment paper. Spread the peels out in a thin, even layer. Put the tray into a preheated oven at about 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for around 10 minutes until the peels are dry and crispy. Take them out and let them cool for a moment, then toss everything into a blender and blend into a fine powder. Get a container, ideally a spice jar, use a funnel, and pour the powder in. And that's it. You've got a natural fertilizer made from potato peels. It's perfect for houseplants and potted plants. Just mix a little into the soil whenever you want. If you're wondering how to strengthen your potted plants and you want a way to keep your plants healthy at home, this powder is perfect. It gently nourishes the soil, supports growth, and makes the potting mix richer. So over time, your plants look stronger and healthier. It's the best chemical-free plant fertilizer out there.